Hello guys, I finally received the arms for my clutch, and no, I won't do a complete rebuild of this clutch, which is the clutch of my 2014 Arctic Cat ZR7000 LXR, but I believe it's the same clutch for all the ZR7000 for this year, 2014 and 15. But anyway, as I said, it won't be a complete rebuild. Simply because I've already ordered a power block for my sled, but since everything is back order and these arms or the arms in this clutch are very damaged, you will see how they look like really soon. So this is the reason why I don't do a complete rebuild. I'm replacing them because I want to ride without having the headache, because you'll see they're so damaged that the clutch doesn't shift. I can go faster than 110 kilometers, so I need to fix that and be able to ride until my power block come in. And this won't be a how-to video simply because I don't pretend to be an expert in clutches in Arctic Cat or in any brand whatsoever. I found out some videos on how to do that on YouTube, and so far I haven't found no video whatsoever on how to remove the set screw and remove the actual arms from that. And I've tried it slightly and they're pretty tight, so I will eat them up to make sure that I don't break anything, because I don't want to have to drill in the arm and having that much of trouble. So that's enough of the talking. Let's start opening this clutch. And by the way, my cover is already marked, so you didn't saw me punch it earlier because I marked it last week. Where are my marks? You see two punch dent here, as well as on my cover right there I got two punch dent, so I know it's aligned in the same position. So this is the reason why I skipped that step, because I dismantled this clutch before, so it's already punched. Now I will apply some heat to this set screw, try to remove it because there's a bit of Loctite on it. Let's see if it is enough. Yep, it is. There you go. I have the little set screw. Should probably pretty hot, so I won't touch it right now. And I'll put on every bolt. Still hot. There you go. Now it's going. I will clean that bolt. And that third arm is here. So the arms are out of the clutch. I'll show you how they look like. It's pretty ugly. I hope you can see with the reflection of the light. The big groove here. So there's no way the roller were passing this gap. So I was having sort of good acceleration, but as soon as the roller were falling in that gap here, that was it. My stone wheel was not accelerating anymore, so it was over revving. So you can see compared to a brand new here how damaged it is. I don't know if I can show you from the profile. Maybe I will put that on the side like that. Compared to a new one, hope you can see the curve in there. I believe it's not even the worst one. This one's pretty bad. You can see the big curve there, right here. I don't have my measuring tools, but we can visually see the difference in the thickness of these. But let's put everything back together. But before that, I want to show you the roller, because usually when you do a job like that, you also replace the roller. And as you can see, they're pretty damaged. I got about, let me take that here. If you look on the side, here and here, you can see I have like 1/32 of inch of gap. I will try to show you maybe from another one. You can see where the ramp or the arms were rubbing on the roller, so nothing was touching in the middle. So of course I would need to replace these roller, but as I mentioned, it's a matter of weeks before I receive my power block. So the roller are still rolling fine. What I'd like to do, but I don't want to remove the spider, is I'd like to shave the rollers so they are flat, because a kit of roller for this clutch, it's about 200 bucks Canadian. And I need to make or buy a special tool, because these spiders are pain in the ass to remove. You have to remove the lock nut there, but after that this spider is stick to that shaft pretty hard. So anyway, I won't bother to do that. At least with brand new arms, my clutch will have a progressive, let's say, shifting until maximum that can open. Of course, it won't be optimal performance because of the roller, but at least I will have decent acceleration. Now we're ready to reinstall that. So I need to find my mark. One mark here, two mark there. So I've started with that bolt here. So I have a hole in the bolt. I need to align the set screw in the bolt. I cleaned them up with the thin sandpaper so it's fitting well in the clutch piece and in the arm. And I reinstalled a new O-ring as well. As you can see, it fit well in the clutch. So the arms are all the same. Just need to align them, or align the hole of the set screw with the hole of the bolt. There you go. So if you come and see here, you can see the hole in the bolt. If I spin the bolt, you can see where the hole it is. So I will align that. I will put just a bit of blue Loctite so it doesn't unscrew by itself. Don't put the red on it because you'll never get that off if you need to remove it. That's a bit too much. There you go. Now I'm aligned. Let's try not move it. There you go. There you go. I will finish that, install the O-ring and the nut. There you go. There you go. I'll try not to move it now. There you go. I'll put that last O-ring. And the lid on that thing. And a bolt. Yeah, time to tighten it. So I will tighten it by hand. After that I will put the torque wrench on, because these things need to be torqued. Now the torque for these ones is 11 foot-pound, and the wrong way. Come on. There you go. So now the only step left is to reinstall a spring and the cover. And again, you remember I marked my stuff, so I have 1 pin here, 2 pin here. So my cover is supposed to have 1 pin and 2 pin. I got 2 pin here and 1 pin here. So 2 pin aligned with 2 pin right here. There you go, ready to torque. So the torque for these bolts is 120 inches pound. There you go, it's torqued. And there you go, it's reinstalled. There's only one thing left, it's put it back on the sled and do a test drive. I'll do that tomorrow because my sled is in the shed up there and it's in the dark, so I will install that tomorrow, so stay tuned for the following parts. Okay guys, I mounted the clutch back on the sled. I torqued the bolt as specified by Arctic Cat, the bolt on the crank, which is 61 foot-pounds of torque on that bolt. And I will drive about 50 kilometers and I will retorque it just to make sure it didn't move. So this is it for now. I hope this video will help some of you, even if it wasn't a professional job, at least you know how to do it. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel so you will be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later.